as we learn more about our instrument, we can learn.
When the pandemic started, we started to look for different ways of being able to connect with communities around us.
This was a time when folk music and classical music were interacting. They weren't. Buffalo String Works is an organization in Buffalo that provides an after-school orchestra program and string program for refugee kids.
99% of our students are students of color, and we provide a free music program. It's a free education as well as free access to instruments.
It was just so nice to hear what they had to say, how they were playing, and to just see kids in their habitat just hanging out with each other and getting to talk. It was nice to see that they were having fun.
Given the circumstances, it really was the best way to be able to try and connect with others. And students who haven't had a chance to really get a chance to teach as much in person, it was also a way to get them to use their skills in a different way.
I think it'll help a lot. I think it's really pushed me to go back to the basics of my teaching and to go back to the basics of how to present an idea to a student.
You never know what's going to happen in teaching to begin with. There's always a degree of adaptation, and this is just that on a big scale. And so I'm really glad that those kids are still able to receive that education after school and everything, and I'm glad that we can be a part of it.
I really love that Fredonia has been so wonderful, and I'm really hopeful that we'll keep growing this partnership, that we'll start to see more Fredonia students in our classrooms, maybe even as teaching artists one day.
I feel really equipped to go out and be a great teacher, a performer, and someone who will continue to educate themselves on the world around them and with music and teaching.